Today we're making a clown collar. You will need some loofahs. I got these from the dollar store. They had some really neat color combinations, so I chose two that I thought went well together. You will also need some kind of ribbon or string or cording. This will go around your neck. So step one is to cut out the little string that's holding the loofahs together. Then you will also need to measure your neck and cut your string to 2 times the length of your neck. Next, cut your loofah into 1 foot long pieces. You can cut them longer if you want. Okay, here we go. Take 2 pieces of your cut loofah and find the middle. Then lay your loofah piece on top of your string. Push the ends underneath and up through the hole, and then pull to tighten. Let's do it again. Place your loofah piece over the string, take your ends under the string, push up through the hole, and pull to tighten. Keep doing this along the length of your ribbon until it is the desired fullness. And there you have it, pretty inexpensive and easy to make clown collar. Thanks for watching.